Today we will learn the array in JavaScript and how to make the create the array in JavaScript and how to use the array and why launch the array. Okay, first create the one variable. Let sorry, yeah, let dialect is equal to and dialect one. Yeah, we will create the four variable and I create the variable and we can create the one variable in the array and under the array variable is not called the variable, it's called the array and under the array we have not create the four variable. I have only create one variable because array is representative the four variable under the one array. So what is the difference in array? So I can provide the information what is the differences in array. Actually array means array is directly representative the variable. So what is the use the array in the JavaScript? So first of all create the again console dot log and yeah, and mention the one variable. And now this time we want I want to the name what is the third person name in the trilect. So how to check? So now this time I mentioned the trilect is our variable. So trilect trilect third. Okay, so we want to the third person name in the trilect. Go to the browser. In the JavaScript, refresh the page and we will open the console. This side is mentioned the Manish. Manish is the third person in the trilect. So trilect, and now this time we are notice the four books, four trilect name. But when on the array will we create only one variable means under the one array. Okay, so how to create the array now? Let's see how to create the array. So all over thing is the comment. Sorry. Let trilect is equal to bracket mention. Now now this we can storage the multiple subject, and we have to store it the four value and one array. So so it's called the array. And so now we will learn the difference to both each other variable and array. And we can only mention the value in the variable, but we can mention multiple value in the one array. Okay. So uh, so how to check means how to use the array. So now this time I mentioned the four name. First name is Shanath, and second name is Nitish. Sorry, Ni- Nitish, and fourth name is Manish, and fourth name is Rahul. So actually counting is start uh, of number of the zero. So now zero is Sanat, and first is Nitish, and second is Manish, and third is Rahul. Okay, so we want to the result in the one uh, one value. Okay, so trilect is our array. A few minutes ago I'm also informed you कि we have to create the one variable like let trilect 2 trilect third trilect 4. So now array's time is not called the variable, is called a array. All the line is called the array, is the array. Okay, so we on to the result again in the array console dot log, and our array is trilect, and bracket mention the two number. Okay, and I want to the who is the second person, and what is the name of the second person. So second, let's check the name in the console. So we will save the programming and go to the browser and refresh the page. Second person name is Manish, and again change the number. I mentioned the number one and save the file. Again go to the browser and refresh the page. Name is changed Nitish. Why? Zero number 0 1 2 3. Zero is Shanat, and first is Nitish, second is Manish, and third is Rahul. Okay, so this is the array, and and two types of array, and I can give the number. I can give the number and find the result on the console file. So our array is finished.